Hi, everybody. We're going to work on our letter E today. I have my dough mat, and I'm going to use purple Play-Doh since my mat outline is purple, but you can use whatever color you would like. Let's go ahead and start and make sure our mat is nice and secure. I'm using some painter's tape. You can use Scotch tape or anything to so that it doesn't kind of shift around when we're rolling our dough. The first thing we're going to do is look at the different shapes that make up our letter E. So we have one big straight line on the left side, and then we're going to have one, two, three small lines. So all together, we're going to need one, two, three, four different pieces of Play-Doh that we're going to roll into individual logs to place into the correct spot to make our capital D. So I'm going to start, we'll need one bigger chunk. We'll leave this big chunk, and then I'm going to break this one into three smaller chunks. One, two, three to make our three lines. But let's start by rolling out this big log. Get it nice and smooth and try to line it up so that it fits on the model that we have right here. That looks pretty good. I'm going to set that up as the first line on my side where it says build your letter here. So we have our big line down. Now let's make this top line one of our small lines. So again, we're making a straight line by making a log, but this one's going to be smaller than the first log that we made. So first one, we want to make sure we connected at the top of our big line and make it go straight across. Okay, now we're going to do this middle line. Roll it out, same as that first one. And we're going to pinch it onto the middle part of our E. You might notice that this is a different letter. This is the letter F, but we're going to add one more line here and turn that F into an E. But right now that's an F, but we want E. Let's see, E is for elephant. E is for eat, but that's a tricky sound. Egg, there's another E word. Okay, I turned the F into an E. We're going to do our finger tracing. Start at the corner top, big line down, jump back up to the top, straight line across, straight line across, straight line across. Beautiful job.